Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Okay, for this video, I want to show you how to add revisions to a sheet. In CAD, you normally create a duplicate of the file, save that file into your project directory, and then create the revision. Okay, but in Revit, however, you are given a revision schedule, and that means it can give you ability to keep track of your revisions just in a single project Revit project file. Okay, for the first step, we go to the project browser and open our sheets file. Okay, any sheets file for your project also can, just for the example. Next, after we open it, we go to the annotate tab and in the detail you have revision cloud button. Okay, so just click it. Okay, for reminder, you don't have to activate any of your view in the sheets. Just straight go to the annotate and revision cloud. Okay, next we cloud the area that involved in our revisions. For example, maybe for this laundry here. Okay, then click finish. Okay, now we have identified the area that involved in our revised design or arrangement. Okay, so after that we're gonna to tag it. So go to the annotate, tag by category, then go to your revision cloud and load. If you don't have it loaded, so you can just say yes and go to your libraries here and pick Malaysia folder or your own nations, then annotations, find revision tag. Okay, open. Okay, now you can control it. Okay, free and leader. So tag your revision cloud here, select your revision cloud, then okay, escape twice. Now you have tag your revision cloud. Okay, the next thing we must do is open the sheet or revision dialog box. Okay, to open it, we go to view, then in sheet composition panel, you have revisions here. Then click it. So for any revision that you encounter or you have, so you can just add new and set the date. For example, for today, revisions is about the laundry area. Okay, and you can just issue to whom and issue by whom. You can just key in it. Also, you can control your arc length, for example, maybe 10 for this, then click OK. So it becomes smaller. And you can notice your revision parameter will be according to the date of your revision schedule, because you have tagged it. Or you can also refer to the project browser here. So current revision description, laundry partition. Okay, how about another revision? Okay, open another sheet. Same step. Annotate revision cloud. Maybe corridor here. Okay. As we have keyed in our list of revision in our sheet or issue revisions dialog box, we can also just refer to the property at our property panel. So you can select option 2, for example, then finish. After that, we can tag it. Annotate, tag by category. So it will be under revision number 2. Okay. Escape twice. If you want to edit the name or the date, because we don't key in the date yet, so it will just come out as date 2. So how to edit it? We must edit in the dialog box. Okay, go to view, revisions, and key in our new description and date. Then click OK. So there you go. Your revision date will change accordingly. And also your revision description here in your properties panel, in your properties tab. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you.